Looking to protect your truck bed without breaking the bank? Hard tonneau covers are getting better and cheaper than ever, but with hundreds of options flooding Amazon, how do you pick the right one? Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you 5 hard covers that actually deliver on their promises. These aren't just the cheapest options. They're the best value picks that balance quality, features, and price. Whether you're hauling work equipment, camping gear, or just want that clean look, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Gator EFX Hard 3-Fold Tonneau Cover. Starting strong with the Gator EFX, priced between $450 and $650, depending on your truck model. Now, what makes this one worth your money? First off, it's made in the USA with heavy-duty aluminum panels that automatically lock when you close them. No fumbling with latches or worrying if you secured it properly. The panels are coated with a scratch-resistant UV protective powder coat that sits completely flush with your bed rails. This gives you that sleek, low-profile look that doesn't scream, "I've got stuff back here." And trust me, aesthetics matter when you're dropping this kind of cash. Installation takes less than 30 minutes with 0 drilling required. Forum users are reporting 10-minute installs when the cover arrives fully assembled, which is pretty impressive. You can open it from either side, fold it back to expose 2/3 of your bed, or remove the whole thing using 4 quick-release knobs if you need full access. Now here's something you need to consider. While the material is thick and durable, some users mention the vinyl sections can show wear faster than full aluminum covers if you're constantly opening and closing it. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're accessing your bed multiple times daily, keep that in mind. Check the description box below for direct Amazon links for F-150s, Silverados, Rams, Tacomas, Rangers, and more. Coming in at number 2, we've got the Toptiny Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. The price sits between $319 and $499. But here's the kicker. Forum users are reporting they've snagged this for as low as $319 with Amazon coupons. That's insane value for what you're getting. The construction is rated to hold 300 pounds, and multiple users have tested the security by trying to pry up the corners to access the bed. Nobody could get in. That's the kind of real-world testing you want to hear about. Installation takes about 35 minutes, and users consistently report perfect fitment right out of the box. No adjustments, no modifications needed. But wait, here's a bonus feature that's not even mentioned in the Amazon listing. This thing comes with LED lights for your bed. Completely unexpected and actually useful when you're loading or unloading at night. Water protection is solid at around 90 to 95%. Some users recommend adding extra gasket material if you live somewhere with really heavy rain, but for most climates, the stock seals handle it fine. One thing to note, the customer service is US-based, which is great, but the warranty details aren't as clearly spelled out as premium brands. If long-term warranty coverage is your top priority, you might want to verify those details before purchasing. Links for the Ford Maverick, Honda Ridgeline, and Toyota Tundra versions are in the description. At number 3, the Calffree Hard 3-Fold Tonneau Cover. Real users have put this through serious tests. We're talking 3,200-mile road trips with 95% watertight performance and 0 issues. The construction uses FRP, that's fiberglass reinforced polymer, combined with aluminum panels. Inside, there's a honeycomb structure that distributes weight evenly, giving you a 400-pound capacity. This isn't just marketing speak. The engineering actually makes sense. Weather resistance goes beyond just water. This cover handles tear resistance, high temperatures, and protects against snow and dust. If you're in extreme climates, whether that's Arizona summers or Minnesota winters, this cover is built to handle it. Installation lives up to the claim of taking just minutes with no tools or drilling required. The clap system is straightforward and secure. Plus, by creating a more aerodynamic profile, you're actually improving your fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag. It's a small benefit, but it adds up over thousands of miles. Here's what they don't tell you. This cover doesn't include a weather strip for the top of your bed at the back window. You'll need to purchase that separately if you want maximum water protection near the cab. It's not expensive, but it's an extra step. Amazon links for F-150s, Silverados, Tundras, F-150s, and Nissan Frontiers are waiting for you in the description.
Number 4 brings us to premium territory with the BAKFlip MX4 hard folding tonneau cover.
Yes, it's pricier, but there's a reason this has over 1,800 reviews, averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars. People who buy this keep it and love it. All aluminum construction, frame, panels, everything. The black textured powder coating resists scratches and UV damage better than cheaper alternatives. This is the kind of cover that still looks new after years of use. Weight capacity hits 400 pounds with a full 5-year warranty backing it up. The EPDM rubber seals, combined with built-in drainage channels, mean water doesn't stand a chance. And here's something unique. It's the only model in its class offering a completely smooth matte black finish. No texture, no embossing, just clean lines. Owners consistently praise how easy it is to install and use. You get full bed access when opened, and when closed, it sits so flush, people often don't realize you have a cover until they look closely. But here's the consideration. While you can find it on Amazon through select sellers, it's primarily sold through real truck and specialty dealers. Availability can be spotty, and you might not always have prime shipping as an option. If you need it fast, that could be a factor. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the TruXedo Sentry CT Hard Rolling Tonneau Cover. This is where we shift from trifold to roll-up design, giving you a completely different user experience. Heavy-duty aluminum slats are pressure-bonded to premium matte black woven fabric. That fabric has inherent dirt-resistant properties, so your truck stays cleaner longer. The slats provide strength while keeping the overall weight manageable. The ultra-low profile design is achieved through their X15 rails that mount inboard from your factory bed rails. This creates a nearly flush appearance that's about 15 degrees angled, barely noticeable, but incredibly sleek. One-handed operation is the real selling point here. Just pull the cable at either side of the tailgate and roll it forward, full bed access without blocking your rear view or third brake light. There's also a supplementary security latch in the center of the bed, plus dual slam latches that automatically lock when closed. Installation takes under 30 minutes with no drilling. The 5-year warranty and USA manufacturing with globally sourced materials give you confidence in longevity. The trade-off is, when rolled up, it takes up about 10 to 12 inches at the front of your bed near the cab. For most people, that's not an issue, but if you regularly haul items that need every inch of bed length, a trifold might serve you better. Check out the links below for F-150s, Mavericks, F-250s, Ridgelines, and Rams, all ready for prime delivery. That's our breakdown of the 5 best hard tonneau cover deals worth your money right now. Each one brings something different to the table depending on your budget and needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.